Hi everyone, it's Amy with you. I've been professionally trading and investing for almost 4 years, and it's my primary source of income. I'm also the creator of the trading robot, which took over a year to develop with a team of 7 developers, analysts, and testers. As the project's founder, I and other project members studied all the peculiarities of Forex currency pairs in order to make the robot work perfectly. What is the first thing a person sees when he starts Forex trading? Currencies, dollars, euros, yens, pounds, and francs. How do you make sense of it all? Today, I'll show you how to sort through all of this information and find out what the difference between currency pairs is and which ones, based on my experience, you should follow first. In this video description, you will find the link to my Telegram channel, where I will help you connect my trading robot for free. Please note there are lots of my fake accounts on Telegram. Find the link to my Telegram channel only under my video or in the profile on my YouTube channel. My robot can trade several currency pairs simultaneously. I'll tell you what these pairs are and which ones you should definitely follow this year in just a moment. We'll go through the most popular currency pairs for 2024 and learn the features of each of them. Let's go! Our first pair is, of course, Euro-US dollar. There isn't much to say here. The euro and the US dollar are the world's 2 most important currencies. The majority of people invest in these currencies and the majority of money circulates in these currencies. This pair is used by 28% of all Forex traders. If you are a beginner and are unsure which pair to choose, trade in euro-dollar. Of course, when designing the robot, we kept in mind that the euro-dollar pair is the most popular. Therefore, my robot does a high number of transactions on this currency pair. Pound sterling Canadian dollar is the second currency pair. If you invest more than $5,000, the robot will trade on it in the mode of operating with 2 pairs in simultaneously. This pair is highly stable. It's roughly the same as euro-dollar pair. People trust stable currencies and prefer investing in them. The British pound sterling and the Canadian dollar do not change their value dramatically. They are very stable. After the 2008 crisis, there were no major changes in their value. That is, for 15 years, their rates have been stable compared to other trading pairs on the market. And this leads to the fact that many people trade on this pair, preferring not to take unnecessary risks. If you invest between $500 and $5,000 in your income, the robot will trade on the euro-US dollar pair. However, if you spend more than $5,000, it will trade simultaneously on the 2 most trustworthy pairs, euro-US dollar and pound sterling Canadian dollar. This will considerably boost your profits, so don't pass up this opportunity. Now let's have a look at some other currency pairs that performed well in 2023. The third pair is USD dollar Japanese yen. Let's take a look at the chart. USD Japanese yen is a common currency pair that shows how many Japanese yens are needed to buy $1 US. This pair is the second most traded pair on the Forex market. Traders prefer it because of its fast volatility and sensitivity to political and economic events. The US dollar is the most traded currency in the world, and the Japanese yen is regarded as one of the most liquid backup currencies. Such pairs are regarded as reliable assets. USD Japanese yen is characterized by high liquidity, a small spread between buy and sell prices, and volatility. The fourth pair is pound sterling US dollar. Pound sterling US dollar is the third most popular pair on the currency market. About 11% of all transactions on the Forex market are made with this pair. It's among the 5 most popular pairs in the world. The exchange rates of the British pound and the US dollar influence many economic events, as well as the rates of other currency pairs. The next pair is Australian dollar US dollar. Take a look at this chart. Australian dollar US dollar is one of the top 5 major currency pairs in Forex. It's known for its high volatility and easy trading. Australian dollar US dollar ranks 4th among the most actively traded currency pairs. It accounts for more than 6% of all trades on the Forex market. Due to high liquidity, trading on this pair is easier, with less trading slippage and a relatively narrow difference between the buy and sell prices. The popularity of this trading currency pair is linked to the political and economic stability in Australia. The last pair we are going to look at today is US dollar Canadian dollar. US dollar Canadian dollar is a widely traded currency pair around the world. Its behavior is determined by how the US and Canada trade with each other. To make accurate projections, you must monitor natural resource pricing and the raw material market. Its behavior is determined by how the US and Canada trade with one another. To make accurate projections, you must monitor natural resource pricing and the raw material market. This is a low-risk pair, so it's suitable for investors with little experience and a basic level of knowledge. These pairs were incredibly popular in 2023, and they're unlikely to fade anytime soon. Now you clearly understand what are the features of the most popular currency pairs in Forex. If you want to trade manually, make sure you keep an eye on the main pairs, as Forex charts change rapidly. Try not to stick to one currency pair. Keep an eye on the most promising and popular ones. These are the ones we talked about today. You should analyze what is happening with these pairs and follow the news. Stay focused, you don't need to follow a dozen of pairs simultaneously. Choose the main one and analyze them, and then the chances of success are very high. And if you want to make your trading easier while also earning a steady passive income, be sure to read the video description. There will be a link to my robot, which is already used by hundreds of my subscribers, and this is what they write. Thank you so much for your feedback. Also, keep in mind that there are numerous fake accounts operating on my behalf. Be careful. You'll find the link to the official Telegram channel in the description below this video. Only this channel is trustworthy. Trading with the robot is perfect for both pros and beginners. There's no need to have professional knowledge and skills to trade successfully with the robot. The robot will do everything for you. You just need to set it up. But I will help you with that as well, and I will do it for free. Hurry up and follow the link and start trading. You now have a greater understanding of the specifics of Forex. I've told you about the most popular currency pairs you should definitely pay attention to. Choose the one that is closer to you and start growing the amount on your bank account. If you still have questions, write them in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. There are a lot of interesting things in store for you. It was me, Amy. See you later.